Hey y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a marvelous Monday. And if you have not already, please make sure to hit subscribe down below so you can see all future videos and join our wonderful YouTube family. I am pretty excited. I'm going to be unboxing a new it's not a subscription. It is actually, you can go and purchase these items. These were kindly sent to me, or this necklace was kindly sent to me for review, and I will make sure to link a website or a link to the website down below. It is through Etsy. It is Cora's Den is the name of the shop, and this is going to be a monogram necklace. I thought it was absolutely beautiful, and as you guys know from my name, Southern Mom, I live in the South in North Carolina. We love to monogram everything, so I was super excited when I came across this and reached out, and like I said, the owner was kind enough to send me a beautiful necklace that I cannot wait to open and see with you guys. There are a couple of different options that you can choose from. She has a wide variety of items in her shop, but as far as for this particular necklace, you can choose silver, gold, or rose gold, and then there are different lengths for the necklaces starting at 14 inches going to 24, so just depending on how long you want your necklace. And the prices range, again, this is going to vary on the type of metal you decide and the length of the necklace, from $12 to $32. There's about a 1 to 2 week turnaround time because she does create each of these items for you, and there is a small shipping charge. And let's see, some of the other items that she has are, you know, keychains, earrings, cups. She, like I said, she has a wide variety. Her name was Katie. She was just an absolutely sweet lady and so easy to deal with. So let's go ahead and dive in here. It came in a beautiful package, a blue paisley. I did go ahead and just kind of cut open the top here just to save some time, because sometimes these packages like this can be a little bit more difficult to open, and I didn't want to spend 3 or 4 minutes fighting with it, tearing it, or anything like that. So let's go. There's 2 items in here. We have 2. I knew of 1. So that's a surprise. They came in beautiful little boxes with pink bows. That is super cute. I'm gonna open this one first because I know the size of the necklace that I knew she was sending me. It is a 2-inch acrylic monogram, so I'm pretty sure that's probably what's in here, and then we'll definitely check out to see what this extra surprise she threw in was. That was really nice. And again, I love this packaging. The little touches like that to me are great, and like I said, just the bag was so cute. So let's take a look here. This is so pretty. The pictures on her channel do not do this justice. I mean, the pictures are beautiful, do not get me wrong, but actually getting it and seeing it, this is so adorable. So this is the 24-inch chain. It is in a plastic bag. We'll go ahead and pull that out. And it is in silver, and it has my monogram in like a pearl iridescent acrylic. Is that not absolutely gorgeous? So we are going to go ahead and put this on. I say we are. Look at that, you guys. How cute is that? It is precious. I absolutely love that. So adorable. Ugh. Okay. And again, to show you the monogram, and then like I said, if you can see, it's in pearl, so it has this really beautiful shimmer to it. I love this because this could be worn with anything and is probably going to be one of my favorite necklaces. I can already predict that. So we are going to put this back in this beautiful box that it was in and move it to the side. And now I'm actually really excited to dive in here and see what this other item is, because like I said, I knew she was sending that, but I did not know about this. So we're gonna check it out. Oh my goodness. It's another necklace, also monogrammed. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a little bit of a different style. The monogram itself is a little bit smaller. So if you're not wanting to be as like, hey, you know, with your initials, this is a great option. How cute is this? So it's in gold. The font is a little bit different, but still absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much, Katie. I do appreciate the extra little surprise here, and I think it is absolutely beautiful as well. I cannot wait to wear these necklaces. And like I said, I will leave a link down below to her Etsy page to make sure that if you love this jewelry, you can get right on over and purchase something for yourself. And like I said, it's not just the jewelry. She does have keychains, cups, she does do earrings. So you definitely need to give her a try, especially if you are like me and love anything monogrammed. Cora's Den will be right up your alley. So again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your day. And don't forget that we do have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. I will leave a link to that for you up above. And all you have to do for the contest is be a subscriber and then link over. I will leave the link in the description, not above. That will take you straight to the site once you have subscribed to enter. So until the next video, I will see you guys and have a great day. Thank you.